Beautiful. Gorgeous.
When asked when it was that she realized Justin was her partner for life, Cinthia replied, "I think I fell in love on our very first conversation. It felt like a reunion more than a first encounter. 3 months later, we went together on a road trip to Tuscany, and I knew back then that he was my forever partner. I love him deeply because I found in him my best friend, my adventure buddy, and the anchor that grounds me. We have a deep connection and understand each other very well. I feel that I have grown as a person and learned a lot by being by his side. To have courage, dream big, and have fun in the process." Justin said, "I thought she was intelligent, beautiful, and I love the fact that she has such an independent life. On the first date in New Jersey, I knew she was the one for me. We share many interests. We both encourage each other to honor ourselves in all that we do. It's amazing to have a partner that demonstrates love and kindness in all that she does. Cynthia's my soulmate and best friend. She's always interested in what I'm doing. She just does things for me quietly and without needing to be recognized. She has changed my life from the first conversation in Denver. Every aspect of my life is different than it was before we met, and I'm eternally grateful for that." Today you are pledging to be loving friends and partners in marriage, to talk, to listen, to respect and cherish each other, and to support, comfort and love through life's joys and sorrows. Justin, do you take Cinthia as your wife and partner in life? Do you promise to honor and tenderly care for her through all the days and changes? Do you promise always to be honest with her, faithful to her, and to keep your heart open to her? If so, say, "I do."
I do.
I do.
Take this ring and with it my patience, promise, and love for the rest of my life.
With this ring, I give you all I am and all I am to become. May this ring remind us of the path that brought us here and the promise to forever keep falling in love as we live here as one.
Cinthia Justin, may you want one another but not out of lack. May you succeed in all important ways with each other and not fail in the little graces. May you have happiness and may you find it in making one another happy. May you have love and may you find it in loving one another. From this day on, you have chosen each other as partners in life, to live with, to laugh with, to stand by each other's side and rest in each other's arms. It's now my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife, and you may seal your vows with a kiss.
Feel like the woman.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's give him a hug real loud. Thanks, brother. Beautiful. Thank you.
When we're out in a crowd, laughing loud and nobody knows why. When we're lost at a club, getting drunk and you give me that smile. Going home in the back of a car and your hand touches mine. When we're done making love and you look up and give me those eyes. 'Cause all of the small things that you do